Hi, this is a demonstration for the Perry chain cutter. Basically, we now have a ruler that fits onto the shelf, a 1 metre ruler so that you can measure out. Obviously you can see there that this is the link we need to cut. And quite simply, on the cutter, we release the pressure on the clamps and then tighten it to cut. Put the link into the cutter itself directly. The hydraulic pump will continue. I'm doing this slowly on purpose so that you can see. There's the snap. What you need to do is just carry on, and what this is doing now, the cutter is, as you can see, separating the link, and if we release the pressure to get that out now, it's separated the link enough to be able to easily remove the piece of chain.